I work with over 100 agents, at least. The majority of agents really want marketing that's really unique to them, and that's what I really focus on. Wise Pelican makes it so easy. We put a campaign together based on their goals. Direct mail comes in a lot. People want something in their hand. They want to see it. They want that trust and proof that they can physically touch and see. They really want that tangible experience and that tangible piece of marketing to really feel that trust. It's all about consistency. So staying consistent, especially if they're farming, I tell all of my agents, plan for at least a year. I have agents who have gotten a listing off of one postcard. And then I have agents who are, hey, I want to farm this very intentionally. And we talk about what value can you provide to your community. So if it's somewhere where this is the community you want to farm, you live in that area, what can we do to really provide a service or some type of content where they would like to receive and they don't just throw it away. You just have to be able to have a strategy behind it and layer your print with all of your other marketing activities. Wise Pelican has a great selection, of course, of other types of postcards and holiday postcards, and our agents do love those as well. But when it comes to farming, we like to be extremely intentional with custom designs, and Wise Pelican really allows that. I had an agent last week and she sent one out and it was just listed. She wanted to invite everyone to the open house. So it gives the neighbors another excuse to come in the door. The neighbors brought the postcard, but she also got 2 seller leads that were really, really promising. And she went on to listing appointments just from that just listed postcard. There's so much on a real estate agent's plate. Anything that I can do to help the agent and take off their plate, I do. And then the systems and tools that I use help me leverage and give back their time. Freedom and extra time mean everything to them. Working with Wise Pelican is just really easy. Everyone's so helpful and they've been able to really help us. It's unique to have a program that's actually easy today and that gives the agent back their time.